Today we're going to be discussing the most controversial, most unsettling mysteries of 2020. Where is my bed? So ever since I redid my room like this, that you can kind of see, basically the only question I kept getting on that video, even though you guys give it a lot of love, is where's my bed? Basically I turned this room into kind of a studio, filming area, creative space, but I did actually move into another room so I could sleep. So today I'm gonna show you the room in question and kind of do it up because it looks like yes, today we are doing another room makeover, this time my bedroom makeover, and I hope you enjoy it. But if you're new here, my name is Jen. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and my Instagram is in the Wonder Years. So yes, I like to make videos on shoes, fashion, travel, doing in my room, just anything. Give me ideas in the comments below, and yeah, and I guess now I will show you the room in question. So this is it, the room in question. Looks like complete garbage. I didn't make the bed. Nothing matches. We got like a wooden cupboard here, the bed, and we got a bookshelf, which is so friggin' messy, if you can see that. It's just full of books. Does not look aesthetic at all. I'm gonna redo this room, and if you couldn't tell, this is the same bed cover that I had in the other room, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, we're gonna make things look a little bit more aesthetic, a little bit more pleasing. I hope this isn't too shaky for you. This camera's heavy. I'm really not too sure what I'm gonna do with this room. Just kind of make it look cool, maybe add some plants. It's not gonna be crazy extreme. I'm not gonna redo the walls and redo every single little aspect. I'm just gonna be you know, sprucing it up and making it look aesthetic. Now I'm just gonna take a few befores. Basically, we got the bed, we have the bookshelf, and we have a lot of mess down there. This is like where I've put everything from my other room that I didn't want to clutter up the room. So yeah, this will be fun. I don't know where I'll put it from now on. I think we just have to get rid of some stuff and fix it up. So I first started off by doing a bunch of decluttering of the room because really I was just hoarding a lot of shit. So yeah, I did that, and then I found this drawing that I did like probably 10 years ago of Ratchet and Clank. Then it was on to what I was dreading the most, the bookshelf, which is really full of books. So that took a while to just get rid of everything off there so I could move it. And yeah, the time lapse really doesn't do it justice. It took way too long. I love how all I've done is move everything from there to there.
I wanted to take
Fun
a nap.
times. You want to take a nap?
Yeah.
Well, no.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna move that to somewhere over here. We'll see. So we'll either keep this bed here but like move it slightly across, or turn the bed so it's that way. Trying to figure that out. Also my fringe is not cooperating anymore. Alright, I think I'm gonna procrastinate all of this shit by going out and buying more shit for the room. So yay! Found our bedspread. Just kidding. We still can't find anything we like. I'm inspired. We're getting this. Oh my gosh. Where's my night bus supposed to park? I need a castle. It can go where the bed goes. It's only $88. I think it's a bargain. And you get headweek, so maybe we have a Harry Potter themed room. Should we get these for the room?
Yeah.
Literally, I am not inspired by Kmart whatsoever. There's barely anything left, so I guess we'll just go to Bunnings.
Come on, nothing?
Nick wants this. His tail moves. I'm gonna say no. So we're in Bunnings right now. Literally never been in Bunnings before in my life.
I love the carts. You can do this with the carts here.
Should I get a water feature for the room? Yes. When you send 2 people in for plants, this is what he chooses. Introducing my plants. We got Framey Guy, which is in this like weird frame thing. This one we like to call Del because every time we touch it, things fall off it and he's delicate. Next we got this cactus, which I put in this pot for my last room makeover, and it's dying, so I need to fix that. This one here is Stripes. I can't fit him in frame, he's quite big, but he's got a very stripy look to him and he's very cute. I'm not sure what this is, but it's dying. So yes, hopefully we can revive this fucker. Here we got this plant. I can't think of any describing words or cool names for anything anymore, but there's this one. Here we got Pinky. Pinky is kind of getting a couple more flowers. It wasn't even flowers when I bought it, and I'm very surprised. This one's like a party plant. It's basically got a mixture of many different plants mingling. So yes, very cute, cool bowl, too expensive. But yes, we got this one. And lastly, we got 2 other plants that are on the top of the bookshelf that I don't want to move, which are here and here. Honestly, one is my mom's and I stole it, so yay. I then went ahead and decorated the bookshelf, which was the fun part of this whole process. Basically, I just put all the plants on top of there. And pro tip, apparently if you put all your books back the other way, so like the pages are facing the outside, it makes it look more aesthetic. So if you want your room to be all color coordinated and minimalist without it having rainbow colors from your books, you just do this. Then I got these lights that I got from Bunnings, which are so cool, and you can change all the colors. Now that was like half the room done and the rest was still shizen. So again, I just cleared out this side of the room, which kind of was clean before and then I left it for months, so it got messy again. And I moved in my rack from my room just to kind of see what I could do with the space, and I used it as like a plant hanger just for something different. Although I really hope to get a table for the space, but this is just for now. Then I removed the paintings from the walls. Basically I wanted to go a different color scheme, but you'll see in the future that maybe I might just put these back on. And then I just contemplated life because I didn't really know what to do anymore. So we came to Redcliffe to go to some op shops, but that closed.
Concert of our life.
Instead we found this. Kmart is empty.
$9.
Empty.
It's every country we're gonna travel to.
Nowhere. We are leaving Ikea. All we got is this plant and the spray bottle. So here is my Ikea haul. First, we have this plant that fell out of the friggin' pot when we were driving. And second, we have deep regret because I just wasted the whole day going to Ikea and going to the op shops, and I literally found nothing. And I'm kind of sick of doing this room, especially when I might not be living here forever. So yeah, I'm just sick of doing this, so I'm gonna just like speed do it up now. Yeah, everything I wanted from Ikea was out of stock, and then the op shops ended up being closed because it was a public holiday that I didn't even know about. So yes, I just want to finish this room right now. We're gonna do it right now because it's been a couple weeks now, nothing's changed, and I'm sick of it. So let's just finish it. It's not gonna be the most extreme makeover, but it's gonna be something. Now honestly, I was gonna paint something for up there, but I just literally don't have time between work and everything, so I think I'm actually just gonna hang the paintings that were up there before because they were the right color scheme. I was gonna change up the color scheme to like greens and pinks, but I couldn't find anything anywhere, and I didn't want to spend heaps and heaps of money, and we already have the blue and I have green sheets on, so that kind of ties it in a little bit. But yeah, I thought I would just kind of leave it as it is and just show you that you can spruce up your room, I guess, with stuff you already own. So my mum actually did these paintings. I helped her, and it was just like with some paint that we scattered all over, which is probably what I would have just done with another painting in the background. But the back of them is just these cardboard things that my mum had left over from like her old work or something. I guess she worked at a shower place. But that's on the back. Thumbs up if I should hang it this way. Wow. You've all been waiting for and possibly just skipped to, the big reveal. Basically my room looked like crap before, and I didn't realize until now, looking at the new footage. Yes, the room definitely looks way better than before. Honestly, I didn't do too many things. I basically just bought a whole bunch of plants and kept it pretty minimal, just kind of using stuff from around the house just to freshen it up a bit, and yeah, didn't do too much. So hopefully that can inspire you if you're like trying to do up your room during COVID, because I found it so hard to find anything at the shops to just change up my room. So you kind of got to work with what you got, but I'm very happy with how it turned out, and it's definitely more of a better space to be sleeping in and just hanging out in. So I also have this cactus which I am putting in this fishbowl, but I'm lazy, so I haven't done it yet. Yay! So I hope you enjoyed my room makeover. Obviously it wasn't as intense as the last one, but I'm very happy with how it turned out. Let me know in the comments if you're redoing your room, and until next time, keep wondering.